Hello everyone. So I just wanted to give you a heads up that I'm sick. My mood kind of matches the weather out here today. A little bit dreary and cloudy and wet. Anyways, just headed into Dollar Tree. Wanted to film for you guys what I see today. So we'll go in together. One wall's full of Halloween. And then if you look over here, all the Christmas things are being put out. I'm gonna grab a buggy because I have a feeling this shopping trip is going to cost me. These come in for a spell are my favorite signs. I just like the faux wood look. Wow. These are so cute and so fun. If you have like a space to display them, you can put them on a bookshelf, lay them flat, have them standing up. Very, very well done. I'm actually surprised to see that they still have a ton of fall signs. I thought these would all be cleared out really quickly. I mean, some of the more popular ones have been sold out, but there's some really pretty ones here too you can still transform. Well, I most definitely have to check out the Christmas area, knowing it's out and put out, so we'll go through some of these things. I think they're still working on it, but at least we'll get a sneak peek at what's available today. Well, this is catching my eye here because this roll looks a lot thicker than this roll. Are they the same? They are, but look at that. This is the old packaging, and it's got a 4.57 meters versus the 3.65. These are really cute headbands, not only for trolls, but thing 1 and thing 2 from the Cat in the Hat stories. So these are cute lights. I love the way they have a little purple lighting. Oh, that's a pretty boa. Wonder what we can make with these. Lots of costumes still available. If you have little ones, definitely peek in. Or even, they fit adults too. You can stretch them out quite a bit. So I've bought these pens here. They're colored versus those ones that are just black ink. I need to replenish some staples in my craft room. So Mod Podge, and I actually need some fine point paintbrushes. Something that's, yeah, like these ones here, the mixed media, because they have a little bit sturdier tips. There's a new line here, Crafter Square. I'll take a look and see if there's any more of their new product here. I mean, we still have the original packaging, but you'll start to see it slowly switch over to that brown, neutral looking. Oh, these plates look new. Not the nicest quotes on them. This was not too bad. Take a peek through all of them here and see if there's anything cute for a trinket dish. Whoa, I'm super surprised to find these here. I just never thought we'd get them here in Canada. Okay, I have to go through them and pick which one I might need. This is a new set of lotion, and you can kind of smell them right here. They smell really nice. I'm wondering if anyone's tried them and if they're really moisturizing. It's a way better value than some of the small ones we see on the shelf. I always kind of skip through and don't film enough of the makeup for you guys, and I find that some of you get annoyed with me. So I'm going to go a little bit slower here and try to capture it all. There is a bit of e.l.f. product line being found at all the stores, so this is what you'll see here. And then see if there's anything else on display, but there's some nail polishes made by Wet n Wild. Sometimes you'll find L'Oreal. On this end here is the nails. These are super cute. I just bought them recently. Love the little llamas. Oh, there's unicorns too. Anyways, I don't typically buy a lot of makeup things, so that's probably why I don't spend a heck of a lot of time here. My favorite aisles are usually the craft aisles and stuff. Here are some really nice looking licorice. I love stale licorice. I like opening a bag of licorice and leaving it to go hard. I know it's really weird, but anyways, if anyone's tried these, let me know. And there's some cute mugs. If you're into like these kawaii print, is it kawaii prints? Super cute mugs here. I love using these as little measuring cups in the kitchen, so if I dice up things, they're so convenient when you're cooking. Oh, you coconut M&Ms. You got me once, you're not going to get me twice. I ate the whole bag. It was so bad. They were good, that was the problem. I just want to apologize for the very abrupt ending of the video. I thought I was still recording. My camera had died. I do look forward to sharing a haul with you guys very soon. I want to say thank you for shopping with me today, and I hope you're all doing well. And until next time, everyone, bye for now.